Hey there, future millionaires. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of a life of luxury? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the surefire ways to become super wealthy and live the life you've always dreamed of. Stick around because these tips are the keys to unlocking your financial success. Are you ready to take your financial future into your own hands? Pay close attention as we share the tried and tested strategies that can skyrocket your wealth. By implementing these proven techniques, you can turn your dreams of financial abundance into a reality. It's time to begin your journey towards becoming super wealthy. Strategy 1. Mindset mastery. It all starts with your mindset. Developing a wealthy mindset is crucial for attracting abundance into your life. We will show you how to shift your thinking and overcome limiting beliefs about money. By adopting a positive and abundance-oriented mindset, you will open doors to endless opportunities and attract wealth effortlessly. Strategy 2. Multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a single income source can be risky. We will guide you on how to create multiple streams of income, ensuring a steady and consistent inflow of money. From investing in real estate, stocks, or starting your own business, we will provide insights on how to diversify your income streams and find lucrative opportunities. Strategy 3. Leveraging your skills and resources. Discover your unique skills and talents that can be monetized. We will show you how to leverage your abilities, education, and resources to create wealth. By identifying your strengths and finding ways to monetize them, you will be on the path to financial success. Strategy 4. Long-term wealth planning. Building lasting wealth requires careful planning. We will explore the importance of setting financial goals, creating a solid budget, and developing a long-term wealth plan. With a strategic approach, you can make the right investment decisions, manage your expenses, and grow your wealth steadily over time. Strategy 5. Continuous learning and adaptability. The journey to wealth creation is a lifelong process. We will emphasize the significance of continuous learning and adapting to changing economic landscapes. Staying informed about market trends, embracing new technologies, and expanding your knowledge will give you a competitive edge in the quest for wealth. You have reached the end of our video, where we revealed the 5 surefire ways to become super wealthy. Now that you are armed with these strategies, it's time to take action and unlock your own financial potential. Share this video with your friends and family who aspire to achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and wealth building tips.